So I just want you to see the lights. I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro. Hopefully you can, but when it's in the air, it looks so filthy. But yeah, we're just gonna do it. Short takeoff. Look at that short takeoff. Look at it fly in the, it's so dope. Look at that, look at the lights. Look at the lights on it. All right, what's up YouTube? So we're gonna be doing a maiden flight of my E-flite UMX Timber. I just picked this up. It is a bind and fly. It is pretty windy today, but I will be giving it a test flight. So this is the MAIDEN. Look at that, that's how windy it is. It just blew it over. So this is gonna be fun. It's gonna be challenging with the wind, but we're gonna do it. So there it is with the lights. It's got some headlights. It's got the other light there, one on top. All right, let's fly this puppy. See how that landed? This thing is a freaking blast. It's a blast. Let's go. Look at that slow flight. Just look at that. That thing is that's so much fun. You can even flip the flaps all the way down and just watch it. Watch it just float. That thing just hauls though. Yeah, once you turn off that safe, then you can really start doing some stuff with it, like loops and all that. Right now, the safe isn't letting me do anything. It just keeps trying to counter. Like it's literally flying itself right now. It's just countering to stay level. I think that's another battery dying. I think that's another battery dying. Battery's up. Let's bring this bad boy in. Look at that, just hover. Haha. We need to do a go around. Oops. Oh, nice. Nails it. Look at that. And the crosswind. Oh, this thing's a blast. This thing is a freaking blast. So, I just want to get some footage of it flying at dawn, dusk, whatever, nighttime. Yeah, so I just want you to see the lights. I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro. Hopefully you can, but when it's in the air, it looks so filthy. But yeah, we're just gonna do it. Short takeoff. Look at that short takeoff. Look at it fly in the, it's so dope. Look at that, look at the lights. Look at the lights on it. The lights on it honestly make it so much better. Even though it's just like flying around in circles really. It's just with the lights and everything. It's so sick. Look at that. Look at that coming in. Tell me that's not dope. Look at this. Look at that. That's so sick. That's so sick. Look at that. It's so filthy. Timer's up. Alright, we're gonna call it a night. Look at that. It's so sick though. Alright, let's chop all the flaps. Let's get this. Watch this crab right now. We'll crab this in. Watch this. Look how slow. Boom! Beautiful! Look at that beauty! Alright YouTube, hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did flying. Stay tuned for the next one. Please hit that like and subscribe button. And until next time, peace!